The Power of the Cross, Monday, for the second week of Lent. The cross of Christ unites those divided by sin. Ask, whom do I treat as an outsider in God's kingdom? Seek. As you go about your daily activities, think about how often you see someone else as one of them rather than one of us. Of course, people are all unique and different. However, the gospel calls us to break down artificial barriers that prevent us from expressing the unity God desires. Knock. Meditate on 1 Peter chapter 2, verses 21 through 24, while holding a crucifix in your hands. This, in fact, is what you are called to do, because Christ suffered for you and left an example for you to follow the way he took. He had not done anything wrong, and there had been no perjury in his mouth. He was insulted and did not retaliate with insults. When he was tortured, he made no threats, but he put his trust in the righteous judge. He was bearing our faults in his own body on the cross, so that we might die to our faults and live for holiness. Through his wounds, you have been healed. You had gone astray like sheep, but now you have come back to the shepherd and guardian of your souls. Think of the example of Jesus on the cross. How might you concretely imitate and model your life on Jesus? Transform your life. Make discernment rather than judgment the goal of your life's decisions. Ask yourself, what does God want me to do at this moment? And what is God trying to teach me through this? Strive to be open to his guiding presence. Learn from all whom you meet this day and every day.